Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spanner set. You will also need a replacement switch compatible with the Thermomix TM31. Start by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the base of the Thermomix. This involves unscrewing the screws located at the bottom of the unit. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully take out these screws, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, exposing the internal components. Now, locate the switch. It is typically situated near the power cord entry point. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the unit. This not only helps with the repair, but also ensures your Thermomix operates efficiently. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully disconnect the wires attached to the old switch. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will be crucial when installing the new switch. If you find this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your Thermomix repaired without any hassle. Once the old switch is removed, take your new switch and connect the wires in the same configuration as the old one. Ensure that the connections are secure to prevent any electrical issues. After connecting the wires, gently place the new switch into the designated slot. Now it's time to reassemble the Thermomix. Carefully align the base back onto the unit, ensuring that all internal components are correctly positioned. Replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, tightening them securely but not overly so to avoid damaging the plastic. After reassembling, it's essential to test the new switch before using the Thermomix for cooking. Plug the unit back in and turn the switch on. If everything is functioning correctly, you should hear the familiar sound of the motor starting up. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if you prefer not to tackle this repair yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Our professional diagnosis without obligation can help identify any underlying issues that may not be immediately apparent. Finally, once you've confirmed that the switch is working, clean the exterior of your Thermomix to remove any fingerprints or smudges from the repair process. Regular maintenance will keep your appliance in top condition for years to come. Thank you for following this guide on replacing the switch on your Thermomix TM31. Happy cooking! Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.